Food Nutrition and Hygiene for BA, BSc, BCom first semester, Unit 2, Part 2. Question number 93. Which of the following secretes hormone as well as digestive enzyme in human body? Option B, pancreas. Question number 94. Which of the following is an enzyme? Option C, trypsin. Question number 95. Which of the following human organ is responsible for detoxification of alcohol? Option A, liver. Question number 96. When plants do not have the process of photosynthesis, they get energy by the option number A, deposit by carbohydrate. Question number 97. Name the enzyme that hydrolyzes sugar into glucose and fructose. Option B, invertase. Question number 98. The disease in which the level of sugar increases in the blood is called option number A, diabetes mellitus. Question number 99. What is the chemical formula of glucose? Option number A, C6H2O whole 6 or bracket C6H12O whole 6. Question number 100. Which polysaccharide act as a reserve fuel in animal? Option C, glycogen. Question number 101. Carbohydrates are produced in plants by option C, by carbon dioxide. Question number 102. The energy is obtained by the carbohydrate. Option number D, all of these. Question number 103. Glycogen is a polymer for what? Option C, galactose. Question number 104. Deficiency of which element causes goiter? Option C, iodine. Question number 105. How much iodine is required for a person daily? Option B, 80 gram. Question number 106. Which of the following is found in a sucrose sugar? Option A, sugar cane. Question number 107. Nicotinic acid deficiency during the long causes that disease? Option B, pellagra. Question number 108. The excess glucose in the body is converted into glycogen and stored. Option B, in liver. Question number 109. The digestive enzyme found in saliva are called option number A, ptyalin. Question number 110. Starch is converted into what? Why? What the action of ptyalin enzyme present in saliva? Option number A, dextrin. Question number 111. In which medium does digestion take place in the mouth? Option B, alkaline. Question number 112. How much calcium is expelled from the body of a healthy adult every day? Option A, 320 gram. Question number 113. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of option B, iron salt. Question number 114. How many milligram of iodine is found in the body of a healthy person? Option C, 20 to 25 milligram. Question number 115. What is the fat contained in butter? Option C, 80%. Question number 116. Protein is not soluble in water. Option A, hemoglobin. Question number 117. Rickets disease is caused by deficiency of option A, calcium. Question number 118. Pigeon chest is a disease in children is caused due to deficiency of option A, calcium. Question number 119. Which mineral salt is necessary for the formation of nucleoprotein and nucleic acid? Option B, chromium. Question number 120. Non-metal iodine color is option C, violet. Question number 221. In what form phosphorus is present in milk and protein and in egg? Option D, both A and B, phosphoprotein and nucleoprotein. Question number 122. How many carbons are there in deoxyribose sugar? Option C, 5. Question number 123. How much energy does 1 gram of carbs provide? Option B, 4.2 calorie. Question number 124. Which group is in glucose? Option A, aldehyde. Question number 125. In which intestine does fructose convert to glucose? Option B, small intestine. Question number 126. Osteomalacia is caused by the deficiency of option C, calcium. Question number 127. Milk sugar is found in the milk of women is option A, 6.7%. Question number 128. Milk sugar is low and milk is option A, 4.5 to 5%. Question number 129. The formula of starch is C6H10O5 whole N. Question number 130. Lipase reacted with option B on sugar. Question number 131. What is H2O? Water. Option B, compound. Question number 132. In what form are carbohydrate found in breast milk? Option C, lactose. Question number 133. Which chemical element is involved in the composition of fat? Option D, all of these. Question number 134. How many calories does 1 gram of fat provide? Option C, 9 calories. Question number 135. Which of the following is included in lipids? Option D, all of these. Question number 136. Fat is found in which of the following? Option D, all of these. Question number 137. At what temperature does a fat remain solid? Option A, 20 degrees Celsius. Question number 138. Triglyceride is a chemical name of which of the following? Option A, fat. Question number 139. In which fat substance is butyric acid found? Option B, butter. Question number 140. Carboxylic acid in which of the following? Option D, both A and B, butter and coconut oil. Question number 141. Palmitic acid is found in which of the following? Option A, vegetable oil. Question number 142. Stearic acid is found in which of the following? Option D, both A and B, in animal kingdom and in vegetable oils. Question number 143. In which of the following there is a difference in the number of molecules of carbon and hydrogen? Option B, unsaturated fatty acid. Question number 144. In which of the following is included in unsaturated fatty acid? Option D, all of these. Question number 145. Which of the following control the stream released in the form of sweat in our body during the summer session? Option A, semi-permeable. Question number 146. Which of the following acid is helpful for the treatment of skin diseases? Option C, linoleic acid. Question number 147. On the basis of the nutrition food value, lipids are divided into 3 classes. Among these, which is not involved in that? Option D, destroyed lipid. Question number 148. The combination of monohydric and dihydric in a fatty acid together form the base. Option C, with alcohol. Question number 149. Which of the following fat is mostly found in the human body? Option A, ergosterol. Question number 150. Which of the following plants stored fat in their bones? Option D, all of these. Question number 151. Soluble vitamin in a fat is? Option D, all of these. Question number 152. Which of the following are involved in the effect of fat reduction on the body? Option D, all of these. Question number 153. Who is involved in the effect of excess of fat? Option D, all of these. Question number 154. What type of food is fat or lipids? Option A, lubricated. Question number 155. What is the best way to store energy? Option C, fat. Question number 156. Which disease is caused by lack of fat? Option B, pheinoderma. Question number 157. Which has the highest amount of protein? Option B, fish. Question number 158. Which of the following is not an enzyme? Option B, maltose. Question number 159. Which element is found in each cell, blood, bone and cell of the body? Option B, protein. Question number 160. The symptoms of kwashiorkor are? Option B, diaphorism. Question number 161. The accumulation of water in human body tissue is called? Option C, edema. Question number 162. Caused by the lack of protein? Option B, kwashiorkor. Question number 163. Which protein is involved in clotting of blood? Option B, fibrinogen. Question number 164. In which of the following protein is found in the highest amount? Option D, cereals. Question number 165. Which of the protein molecules are not fibers? Option C, myoglobin. Question number 166. Enzyme, hormones and juice released from ductal glands are formed from which element? Option A, protein. Question number 167. Which destroy the bacteria of food in the stomach? Option D, HCl. Question number 168. By which is trypsinogen enzyme secreted? Option C, pancreas. Question number 169. Which digestive juice convert the protein into amino acid? Option C, D, trypsin. Question number 170. What is the percentage of absorption of protein in the small intestine? Option A, 60%. Question number 171. Approximately what percentage of protein is absorbed in stomach? Option A, 11%. Question number 172. The main product of linear muscle is? Option C, both A and B, myosin and actin. Question number 173. In which liquid does the food mix first as soon as it reaches the intestine? Option B, pancreatic juice. Question number 174. The digestive protein take place in which medium or protein is observed by? Option number A, acidic medium. Question number 175. Which digestive juice does the digestion of protein? Option D, all of these. Question number 176. Which digestive juice turned milk into curd in the presence of hydrochloric acid? Option A, renin. Question number 177. Nail, hair, skin, hormone, antibodies are made up of. Option A, protein. Question number 178. Which is not digested in mouth? Option D, both A and B, starch and protein. Question number 179. Where does the digestion of protein take place? Option D, none of these. Question number 180. Kwashiorkor disease is caused by the deficiency of. Option A, protein. Question number 181. Which is the meat of poor? Option A, soybean. Question number 182. Which is the effect of on protein demand during the pregnancy and lacting stage? Option A, increases. Number 183. How much energy is obtained from 1 gram of protein? Option C, 5.65 calories. Question number 184. BMR under the what circumstances does decrease? Option B, the state of malnutrition and fasting. Question number 185. Which nutrient is needed more during the operation in case of wound and burns? B, protein. Question number 186. Which disease occurs in the children due to deficiency of protein? Option D, all of these. Question number 187. What is the percentage of nitrogen N2 in protein? Option number C, 18%. Question number 188. What is the smallest unit of protein? Option C, nitrogen. Question number 189. The word protein was discovered by which scientist, or which scientist discovered the protein? Option A, Multer. Question number 190. In which year the protein word was discovered? Option B, 1838. Question number 191. What is the effect of heating albumin's protein? Option A, freezes. Question number 192. Which protein is found in potato? Option B, tuberine. वीडियो अच्छी लगी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।